Knowing how to stand without losing balance and falling over is an essential skill as you develop the ability to float, kick, swim, and generally remain balanced at the water surface. In this guide, we will provide step-by-step instructions on how to stand up after swimming while maintaining your balance. There are 4 key steps that we will explore in this video: assessing your surroundings, preparing to stand, tucking your knees before lifting your head, and standing. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you are practicing in a safe environment. We recommend learning in a shallow pool under lifeguard supervision. If you're particularly nervous, before entering the water, let the lifeguard on duty know that you are a new swimmer and where you will be practicing. Assess your surroundings to ensure that there are no obstacles, such as swimming equipment or uneven surfaces that may cause you to trip or injure yourself. While floating or swimming at the water surface, ensure you are not tense. Becoming nervous can cause a swimmer to become too stiff, which alters technique and increases instability. Maintain your good technique, holding your core in good posture by pulling your stomach towards your spine. If you struggle with standing and you are swimming freestyle, use your last stroke to return to a streamlined position. If you have not learnt to become balanced at the water surface, make sure you check out our videos on the push and glide and streamline kick. Once balanced and ready to stand, tuck your knees close to your chest before lifting your head. Most swimmers who have trouble standing run into trouble because their feet are not near the ground as their head lifts above the water. This can often be due to panic or nerves. We lift our head to find air too early. Tuck your knees close to your chest before lifting your head. As you tuck your knees towards your chest, you should see the ground underneath you. Once your knees are tucked, lift your head above the water, allowing your torso to move from the water surface to an upright position. Ensure your knees remain tucked as you lift your head and reorientate your torso. Avoid forcing your torso, your body, to an upright position. As you lift your head, your body will naturally move. As your torso moves upright, allow your feet to find the ground. Your legs and feet should be ready due to the preparation made by tucking your knees before lifting your head. Maintain your focus and keep your eyes forward to aid in balance and stability. Avoid adding extra movements with your arms. Allow your arms to relax and they'll move from the surface down near your side. If you become unbalanced, this most commonly indicates that you have rushed the process. Take your time and ensure each step is implemented on its own. Avoid overlapping steps, like lifting the head and tucking the knees at the same time. Let's recap our steps. Ensure that you're practicing in a safe environment. Before lifting your head to breathe, tuck your knees close to your chest. Lift your head outside the water, allowing your torso to come to an upright position where your feet can find the ground. Take your time and always look forward as you lift your head. By following these step-by-step instructions and practicing regularly, you will gradually develop the necessary control and coordination to stand up confidently after swimming. Always prioritize safety, keep calm, and take your time throughout the process. For more great swimming content, don't forget to check out our online courses, And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel.